I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be doing this set and peep that new cuticle pusher scraper, and these are all the products that I used for this set. I'll have a full list for you guys in the description box down below. Don't forget to also check the coupon codes for Glitter Planet, Tones products. What else have I got here? I got some SWAROVSKI, but I don't have a coupon code for that, you know. I ain't that good. Sorry. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. So first off, I did go ahead and sculpt a clear base. I have the full video for that live on my channel now if you want to go and check it out. I used the new nail foams from Glitter Planet Nailmate. Seriously, check it out, it's bomb. Plus you get to obviously see the new little ad for the brand and for the new acrylic line, which also is bomb.com, lit as fuck. So I'm coming in with my number 10 Nailmate acrylic brush, and it is the hollow handle magic stick, and I'm first using the neon pink acrylic, and I'm just applying that to the tip and feathering it up the nail, blending it out because this is going to be a nice little ombre. And then I'm coming in with this nude acrylic, which is from glitterplanetuk.com. However, it is not launched as of yet. It will be launching in 2018, but I need to secure a date. I don't want to be telling you guys dates for things releasing and then it doesn't happen on that specific date, because you know this one is a big one and I want to get it right. I want it to be absolutely bomb, so there's no messing, but I'll let you guys know soon, okay? Don't even ask me what the thing is with okay to die, because I have no idea. But just know that this nude colour is honestly one of my favourites. I've got two that are my absolute utter favourites from the range that we are bringing, and the others are super nice, but the two that I think suit my skin tone the best I absolutely love, seriously. So I'm just going ahead and applying the nude and blending it over the neon pink to create a nice subtle ombre, and then once I've done that I'll come in with some glitter and I'll apply that over the top just to add some more interest and make the nail look super cute. So the glitter I'm applying over the top is Rainbow Bokeh, and it's from glitterplanetuk.com. It's honestly stunning, and I'm just applying that into the acrylic that hasn't quite set yet. I didn't use any acrylic or anything like that. I just used my wet brush and I'm just patting it in, and that literally does the job. So next I'm coming in and sculpting a smile line using the same nude. I haven't got any names for these acrylics just yet, but we will be launching the names, sort of like revealing the names in the near future, so get excited for that because obviously they are gonna be bomb. So yeah, I'm sculpting this nail bed in two parts. So first I'll do where the smile line is and where it's going to meet the next colour, because I want to make sure that that is crisp and on point. And this way you're not having to worry about doing everything at once. So you don't have to focus on the cuticle area and the smile line area. You just focus in on one part. As long as you make sure that you make the acrylic flush to where it meets the nail and you're going to apply your next bead, then you will be fine. But if you don't apply your acrylic flush that's closer to the nail bed, close to the cuticle area, then you're going to cause some issues. You will see some discoloration or some colour build up, and this happens with any nude covers, because you're going to see where that line is that's just not quite right. I think I'm going to do a full video showing you what I mean, because it is difficult to explain. So yeah, I'll just stop trying to explain that there and I'll do a video. So I've applied my cuticle bead and I just had a little bit of glitter stuck in there I think, and I'm just making sure that that's exactly where I want it. It's not too much of a worry on the sides because I can come in and file that, but just make sure it's flush and that the side walls go up fairly evenly, because obviously you want it to look super even and cute. It is sometimes difficult to do that, but just try your best and practice, because practice really does make perfect. The beauty of the acrylic system that I am bringing out, Nailmate, it is a beautiful self-leveling system. So once you apply that bead, it's sort of like self-levels, but it doesn't run everywhere. It holds its shape, but it also smooths itself out. It's really difficult to explain, but I am going to have some in-depth videos really showing the system to you guys, how it works, and just a really in-depth video so that you guys can really make your mind up and you don't have to spend a lot of money on something that you don't think you might not like, because I'd hate to do that. I really want you guys to be happy with the products that I am bringing to you, and I know that I'm happy with them, but again, every system doesn't work for every nail tech, and I completely understand that. So I will try and bring you as many videos as possible showing off the acrylic system that I am bringing out, and then you guys can make your mind up. And I am going to be slightly biased because obviously I personally love the system, but I am going to allow some other techs to review the system and give their honest opinion, whether they like it or dislike it and things like that, so you guys can then get a feel for a variation of nail techs reviews. You know what I'm saying? Because that's how this thing works. I want you guys to have the best of the best and only try it out if you really think you're going to like it. So as you saw, I've applied my own custom mix of the mint green to the tip of this finger, and then I'm coming in with the nude acrylic, applying that to the cuticle area and obviously the middle of the nail, and just blending that down. Basically the same situation that I did on the pink nail, but with a different colour at the tip. And then afterwards I will apply some of the unicorn film. Hey Pixie, how you doing? Are you jumping? So next I'm moving on to the thumbnail, and this one is going to be an ombre, so I'm starting off with the darkest at the tip, coming in with the neon pink and then with the mint green, and each colour you just want to make sure that you blend nicely into each other, and we are really working very thin with the colours, almost like a watercolour acrylic paint, because you want to be able to blend them out really nicely and not add too much bulk, because you will have to do a couple of layers of each colour to be able to get that blend. It's not just going to happen in one, especially when you're working with 3 colours going, I don't even know what the thing is, horizontally, vertically, across the nail, whatevs, you know, like it's not coming down the nail. It is slightly easier to do it that way. So once I'm happy with my ombre blend, I'm coming in with some mermaid shards, and I'm just applying those generously over the entire nail, patting them into the existing wet acrylic, so I didn't use any more acrylic to actually apply those. And then next I'm using some unicorn film. You can get these in a packet of 7 different colours from glitterplanetuk.com, and the stork scissors as well from glitterplanetuk.com. I'll have them linked down below for you guys. And I'm just cutting up some really tiny pieces because I'm going to use these throughout the set and design, because I thought that this really worked beautifully together and tied the whole design in. So I've just applied some acrylic, the clear, really wet, just to act as a base glue for this unicorn film. So I'm picking it up and applying that to the nail, and it just looks so gorgeous. It really adds a lot of depth because you've got the ombre, then you've got the glitter, then you've got the unicorn film over the top. You could even add more to this nail and it would look gorgeous. But yeah, absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I also do that to the little finger as well, and then I'll be back to do the other nails in a minute. Alrighty then guys, so now I've finished applying my unicorn film, I'm going to come in and complete this other nail. So I'm coming in with the purple acrylic and I'm just applying that to the smile line area. I like to use a darker colour here because then you're going to see the definition of the smile line. You can use lighter colours which still looks bomb, but I'm using a dark one because I did use the light blue on my other hand, and it just makes it really stand out. So you want this acrylic to be wet because you want it to really seep into that smile line area. So now I am moving on to the colour blocking nail, and this is all done in regular motion because this video is going to be long enough as it is without sort of like adding another 10 minutes on top of it. So I will try to remember to do this this particular nail on its own in a separate video in real time, then you guys can really see the techniques and sort of like how long I wait between each step almost, and a real detailed explanation for you guys. But for now, we've just got the sped up version and I hope you enjoy it. I will be back in a little minute, okay? Goodbye! The best bit when you've done a colour blocking nail or a not polished design is of course revealing those crisp straight lines. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. I'm coming in with my EFILE and just filing down the bulk, making sure to get a nice streamlined shape and also reveal those really crisp straight lines. And then once I've done that, I'll come in with some crystals and everything. I did feel like I filmed that, but of course it turned out that I actually didn't film it. So here are the crystals applied to my nails, and then I'm coming in with my top coat because I finished filing, buffing, shaping, removing any dust and everything like that. So in with a top coat, curing in the light in an LED for 60 seconds and a UV for 2 minutes depending on what lamp you have. Once I've done that, I will be back to show you guys the final result, and that's pretty much it for this video, okay? Okay you guys, so I have applied some oil and this is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and it's lovely to be back. Hopefully I can be consistent and I don't get too busy with work and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. And please guys, always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.